matter, and I'm sorry I shot you in the face. I got this feeling I was way off base, and I'm sorry I killed you, dear. I only wanted you to be near, and I sincerely apologize. My actions were unwise, and now I realize that it killed me when you died. Well, I'm sorry I hit you with that brick. At least your death was fairly quick, and I thought you'd take it on the chin. But it looks like rigor mortis is setting in,
Get out here now.
and I hope you weren't in too much pain. I guess I'm criminally insane, and I sincerely apologize. My actions were unwise, and now I realize they killed me when you died. Well, I shouldn't have hidden you in the attic. I guess I got a flair for the dramatic, and I know your family is so bereaved that I just couldn't let you leave. And yes, I made a big mistake, but my love for you was not fake, and I just had all I could take, so I drowned you in the lake. And now they're calling for an autopsy. I just wanted you to notice me. You just wouldn't love me, and this I can't forgive. My pride was stronger than your will to live.